Can you search for people on Instagram with images? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys if it is possible to search someone on Instagram by image. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram. And if you want to search someone on Instagram, you typically go to the explore page. Now, once you land on your Explore page, you just tap on the search bar right here and then search for the person that you are trying to find. You usually search for their username like this and just tap on their name. But if you want to search someone by image, as you can see, there is no option. But what you can try to do is search for places and hit enter. Now here you can see the For You page, account section, reels, audio, tags, and then places. But there is no option to search via images. You will have to use your texts. So what you can try to do is instead just search for a photo. So go ahead and tap on any picture you want. So I'm just going to take a quick screenshot of this image. And if you want to find someone via image, you could use Google's image search. So head over to Google and then tap on this Google Lens. Now here I've selected this image as the search. So I'm just going to do this and it will show you the best results. So if there is, as you can see, here is the Instagram post. Here is the Twitter post, but these might not be original, but this is the best thing that you can do as of now. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.